Greetings, ITBU students. Welcome to week 9, video 4. I'm starting at slide number 28. So this will be our Friday class, and we'll be talking about business intelligence, and we have a special guest who will be joining us. I'll also give an overview or explanation of how I want you to do the final post, which is for homework and activities, that grade item. Remember, there's going to be 5 things assigned, and the 4 best grades are the ones that will count. So what is business intelligence? This is a definition that I got from this source down here. Some other terms you might want to explore and be aware of are things like competitive intelligence and media monitoring. And I think earlier in this week there was a link to a short article on what is media monitoring. Okay, so business intelligence, what is it? So here's what Rebecca tells Sheena. So it's using all of the information generated by the organization to make evidence-based decisions. And those could be in the areas of customer support, market research, product performance, how we staff the IT desk, okay? So business intelligence. So reading that, Sheena still isn't quite sure what is meant by business intelligence. So Rebecca connects Sheena with a pal who works in the BI field. So that's where Cindy comes in. She's our business intelligence specialist. And I have some videos here that you can scroll through and listen to. Cindy is a recent grad who is working in business intelligence and has worked there worked at both a company that offers business intelligence services, right? They're a turnkey company that offers a product that companies can buy to use to track business intelligence. And she's also worked in a hospital situation at Northrick General Hospital in the business intelligence department where they use a product to track and gather and provide information to the different departments. Okay, so I invite you to scroll through these questions, click on the links, and hear Cindy's answers to each one. And then we will talk about business intelligence from an analytics point of view when we come back for slide 36.